Welcome to Best Choice. The best side mirrors is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make for your Polaris Ranger. Whether you're navigating tight trails, working on the farm, or simply cruising around, having a clear view of your surroundings is paramount. These mirrors not only enhance your visibility but also significantly improve safety, allowing you to react quickly to any obstacles or hazards. They are a must-have accessory for any Polaris Ranger owner. Number 5. Chupacabra Off-Road UTV Side Mirror Kit, 2-pack. These mirrors fit almost all UTVs with a 1.6-2 round tube roll cage. They are compatible with popular models like Polaris RZR, Can-Am X3, Yamaha Rhino, and more. However, it does not fit channel-shaped cages. The high-impact ABS housing offers full adjustability. The shatterproof, tempered glass ensures safety. The breakaway design and beveled edges make sure it will last for years. The mirror dimensions are 4 wide by 7.2 tall, providing a sleek design. It's large enough for maximum view, even on rough terrains. This makes your experience safe and comfortable. Both driver and passenger side mirrors are fully adjustable. They can rotate 360 degrees to fit any round tube roll cage. The convex shape provides a wider view range. Have an issue? Reach out to us. We'll take care of you. We are an Arizona-based company, and we ride the same trails as you do. The large field of vision is one of the best, and it's one of the best accessories you can own. What we like. This mirror kit offers a universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of UTV models. It features shatterproof glass and a large field of view, ensuring safety and clear visibility. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile mirror solution for various UTVs, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits with the windshield kit installed. They are sized just right to satisfy street legal requirements, permit good field of view, are sturdy, and look great. All of the hardware is made from quality materials with black powder coating to prevent rusting, and the kit includes a set of rubber gasket material to fit between the roll cage clamps and the steel cage. Number 4. RANSOTO UTV Mirrors for 1.6-2 roll bars. Introducing the RANSOTO UTV Mirror Set. It's designed to fit most UTVs with 1.6 to 2-inch roll bars. This set includes 2 sets of mounting clamps for a secure fit. These mirrors are made with a high-quality plastic shell, glass lens, and durable ABS clamps. They are wear and corrosion resistant, making them perfect for all weather conditions. This mirror set is compatible with a wide range of UTV models, including Polaris RZR, Ranger, Can-Am Maverick, Yamaha Rhino, and more. Check the full list to see if it fits your vehicle. The mirrors are easy to adjust up, down, or sideways. You can quickly get the desired visual angle for optimal visibility while driving. We stand behind our product. If you receive a deformed or damaged mirror, please contact us. We offer a warranty for a worry-free shopping experience. What we like. This product boasts wide compatibility with many UTV models and is constructed with durable materials for all weather conditions. With easy adjustment features, it offers a customizable viewing experience. If you like a mirror that fits a variety of UTVs and offers a worry-free shopping experience, consider this one. What people say. These mirrors are really nice and work really well and are easy to install. Fit my Ranger roll cage. Had several pipe size adapters included and even came with extra hardware. Great mirrors. I am pleased to have them work great and stay in place. They are really tall, which is good, and the view if really good. No vibration if you are running the equipment and not just sitting there with it just running. Number 3. KEMIMOTO UTV Side Mirrors for Polaris Ranger. These side mirrors are compatible with a wide range of UTV models, including Polaris Ranger and Can-Am Defender. They are designed to fit ProFit cage models. Please note that it will not fit full door and windshield models. The mirrors feature a 3-axis rotation, allowing you to adjust them to any angle. The ball joint connector makes it easy to rotate the mirror without any tools. This gives you a clear view of what's behind you. These rearview mirrors can be folded inward to avoid damage from obstacles. The splash-proof lenses are designed to prevent shattering. This design ensures safety during your rides. The mirrors are made with high-impact ABS housing. This material is designed to withstand rough terrains. They are built to last and provide a clear view. Installing these mirrors is quick and easy. All the necessary hardware is included in the package. You can have them installed and ready to go in just a few minutes. The mirror size is 6.69 inches by 4.72 inches. It provides a wide field of view. It helps you see everything behind you. What we like. This UTV mirror features a 3-axis rotation for maximum adjustability, allowing you to customize your view. The breakaway design prevents damage from obstacles, and installation is easy. If you are looking for a mirror with a high degree of adjustability and easy installation, this is a great option. What people say. Fit good, pretty easy to install, and really nice to have riding down the road. So far they have stayed in place and haven't moved while riding on rougher terrain. They fit perfectly to my 2021 General XP, good quality, worth the money. Nice solid mirrors. Easy to install. They don't vibrate or move when driving on a rough trail. Number 2. SHEJISI UTV side mirrors for Polaris Ranger. Introducing the SHEJISI side mirrors, designed for a better view. The length of the passenger side mirror clamp has been improved, ensuring the roll cage doesn't obstruct your sight. These mirrors feature a special rubber inside the clamp for a more stable and secure installation. This design minimizes vibration, providing a clearer view while you drive. These side mirrors are compatible with UTVs with grooved tubes, including Polaris Ranger and Can-Am Defender models. Make sure there is enough space between the windshield and roll cage for installation. Made with a high-strength ABS shell and an explosion-proof lens, this mirror is built to last. The convex lens provides a wider and clearer view of the road. Additional self-adhesive rubber pads are included to enhance stability. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we will solve your problem in time. What we like. This side mirror has an improved design to enhance your view and is compatible with a range of UTV models. It's made with high-quality materials for durability and a clearer view. If you are looking for a mirror that offers an improved view and easy installation, this is a great option. What people say. These mirrors arrived quickly and I was able to mount them in minutes to the ROPS. The brackets and mirrors are well made and are adjustable. The mirrors are sturdy and don't vibrate. I like the wide view they provide along the sides of a UTV and to the rear. Number 1. Polaris Ranger and Pro XD door-mounted side view mirrors. See clearly with these heavy-duty side view mirrors. They provide a crystal-clear view of what's behind and beside the vehicle. These door-mounted mirrors are a must-have for any off-road adventure. The mirrors are fully adjustable to fit any rider. They also fold in, protecting them from damage when navigating tight trails. This feature ensures the mirror's longevity. Installation is simple on compatible Ranger or Pro XD vehicles with front doors. The kit includes everything you need for a quick setup. Make sure your vehicle is compatible before installation. Built to withstand tough conditions, these mirrors are precision engineered for off-road use. They are designed to endure the rigors of off-roading. You can rely on them trip after trip. The kit includes 2 side mirrors, mounting hardware, and instructions. A hardware kit is available for seasonal door removal and ROPS mirror mounting. Get yours today. What we like. This door-mounted mirror offers enhanced visibility and is fully adjustable to suit any rider. It is built with rugged durability to withstand off-road riding. If you have a Polaris Ranger or Pro XD with front doors and want a durable, easy-to-install mirror, this is the one for you. What people say. High-quality mirrors that look good, function well and fit perfectly. These are very easy to install. Comes with great directions and easy install stencils. They look great, and do not move on 2023 Polaris Ranger North Star. Very easy to install and makes a world of difference backing up the side-by-side. Back mirror surface area for viewing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.